Well, my computer says 9 o'clock, so we're going to... I've never used this YouTube comment picker, but I have the URL, and I have clicked off filter duplicate users and include replies. So let's see what happens. We're going to give away this Coleman propane coffee machine. Oh yeah, look at that, it works. And the winner is Reid Evans, whose favorite coffee is Seattle's Best. All right, Reid, I know how to find you. I'm going to shoot you a message and get your address, and you get to win the coffee machine. I hope you use it, and if you can't use it, pay it forward. Congrats, Reid, and I guess I will see you guys on the next contest. I have so much more to give away. We'll take it from there. Again, congrats, Reid.